Hey friends, this is CA Kunjal Shah and welcome to Quick Personal Finance Bites. Today we are to discuss a topic many families avoid, that is planning for the unexpected like death. It's a hard truth we cannot ignore. In my previous video on personal finance, namely, do you have any process to understand how much is enough to fulfill all your goals? I had discussed calculating the money needed to achieve your goals. Let's continue with the same family, that is Raj, Priya, and Ananya. The couple mentioned that they have significant financial milestones. 50 lakhs for Ananya's graduation at 18, 25 lakhs for her post graduation at 21, and 50 lakhs for her wedding at 27. Very basic that every parent does plan for. Now they must save for these goals. But what if something happens to the earning member of the family? Who will fund these goals? They spend 75,000 per month as daily expenses too. How will dependents manage these daily expenses? What about the health emergencies? I'm not at all talking about the mental trauma that the family will have to go through. But can you imagine what kind of money is required if something goes wrong with the main earning member of the family? Now, here is the requirement. For graduation, they will need 50 lakhs, post graduation 25, marriage again 50, living expenses, let's assume 1 CR, health emergencies 25 lakhs. So, overall, they need is 2.5 CR. While creating the plan, we also realize that they have a home loan of 1 CR. Who will take care of this liability? Thankfully, against that, they have created FD and mutual funds worth 1 crore. Couple was quite satisfied that they had 1 crore. Now let's see if that is enough or not. Now, as I said, money required to protect is for goals 2.5 CR, home loan 1 CR, so total of 3.5 CR. Now, against that, assets accumulated are FDs and mutual funds, as I said, 1 CR, and they had a life insurance policy of 10 lakhs. Now, they needed 3.5 CR to protect their goals and liabilities. Against that, they have investments of 1 CR. That means they will be short by 2.5 CR. We asked them, how much life insurance cover do you have? It was barely 10 lakh of rupees. Now I'm sure they must be with some wrong kind of policies. That is why their cover is too low. But we will cover that discussion in my next video to come. Here, I want to conclude that in case of unfortunate situations, a family needs a life protection of additional 2.4 CR. This can be covered through a term insurance policy. In a situation where an earning person lives, he or she will fund all the requirements, and in case something goes wrong, the life insurance company should help the family to lead a life in a way it was thought originally by the family. Now guys, here we discuss the family's number. Do you know your number? How much life insurance should you buy? What is the worth of your life? Please consult your financial coach and buy a term plan on the top priority. Friends, this time I'm not going to ask you, did you like the discussion? But I'm saying this is a very important thought. Please act on it and please share it with your friends and families. See you in my next video soon. Keep learning, keep simplifying. Thank you.